Hi guys, vanakkam and welcome back. Today's makeup look is Indigo's Moonlight Blue Smoky Eye. It's most requested by my friend, so Shamna, this one's for you. So I'm before I start, next clip, don't laugh. Please don't. Okay, this is the reason I said. Here, my face is done. Choosing one side primer, another side a concealer. A face is almost done except for the highlighting and concealer part, under eye concealers. Uh, yes, I took a little extra product and I chose a wrong concealer, wrong shade concealer. But it's okay, we can work on that. After I'm setting the primer and concealer with the powder. It's just a setting powder by Maybelline. And to give my eyelid some time to set the base, I started doing my eyebrows. You can see how I do my eyebrows. Then starting off with the crease line, a recommended brown shade from Deborah palette. Don't worry about the shape, how it's going. We can clean that later too. This is one of the reason why I like the concealer, because it holds the product. There won't be a lot of fallouts. So, and for the blue color, I am using my finger to blend it in with, because it gives more pigmentation, but you'll have to be very careful. The shape can be mislaid. Okay, forget it. You got what I meant, right? So yes, blending and blending and blending. Smoky eyes is always the biggest problem is the blend. You need to make sure it is perfectly blended. So here I am using two different blending brush again to make sure the colors are blended properly. It took almost like 30 minutes just for the eyeliner because I want this video to be perfect, but it is not. However, another tip I want to share with you all is that you can see I'm using a very tiny brush that's from Miniso for concealer, because you can see how even the smallest area it can go and cover, and the brush is very soft. I'm obsessed with Miniso brushes and sponges now, and you can see how I cleanse the under eye area where the fallouts was, and it created the shape too. You just have to be a little careful when you go closer. Now it's time for lower lashes, kohl pencil and blue eyeshadow again. And I'm so sorry I forgot the camera angle by just looking into the mirror. Make sure this doesn't happen the next time. So now I'm done with my mascara and highlighters. That's it, guys. We are done. Just the one last final check and one last time of setting the face with some powder. We are done. So let me know your feedback in the comment section and please go through the caption. Thank you for watching. Tata. Bye bye.